Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you some Google Drive sharing secrets that make collaboration simple and easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. From the menu, open Google Drive. Now, choose the file or folder you want to share. Click the three dots next to it and select Share. Then, click on Share again. A sharing window will appear. Here, enters the email of the person you want to share the file or folder with. Next, check the access settings and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit. If you prefer to share quickly, click Copy Link. Before sending the link, make sure to review the access settings. You can keep it restricted for selected people or change it to anyone with the link for easier access. And that's it. These simple Google Drive sharing tips make collaboration fast, organized, and effortless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.